Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What is going on, Docs Gang? Back for another video. And sorry, no intro today. Psych.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I didn't have my socks on.
But yeah, today we're gonna be doing a Lil Baby type beat. I thought I'd go back and do another Lil Baby type beat, cause why not? Cause yeah. But let's just get into it. I'm not even gonna talk. Oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitch. Links are gonna be in the description. All that stuff you already know. But don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, subscribe, all that stuff, and let's get into the video. I've repeated myself about 30 times now. Let's continue, shall we? All right, let's find our melody. Alright, I'm gonna add a guitar. You know, I need a guitar because guitars are nice. I like guitars. That's a little too loud. Let's tone it down there. Slow your roll, my friend. Alright, let's find this guitar melody, or just find a guitar actually. Let's find a guitar first. I'm gonna find a guitar since I already have a melody, so. Okay, look, I wasn't too confident about this beat at first. I mean, I never am confident about my beats at first, but I forget that I'm the greatest producer alive. So, what I'm going to do is show you guys what I got so far with my melody, and it's sounding scrumptious, my friends, okay? My fellow producers, this is scrumptious, okay? So, here's what it sounds like. Yeah, that's what I got, and it's pretty dope so far. I think I'm gonna change the strings a little, or no, that's not strings, the bells. I'm gonna probably speed them up just a little bit. So yeah, let's do that. All right, so I changed the guitar. Okay, I'm gonna show you this again. I changed the guitar to Glorious Steel preset. So look, I forgot I didn't show you the preset. Sorry, my bad. But here's the Glorious. This is the guitar, Glorious Steel, and then this is the bell that I'm using. The music box is great. Guitarette. I don't know why I can't read, but yeah, here's what it sounds like. So yeah, I just changed the guitar a little bit. The other one was just weird. I don't really like it. So I changed it, and let's just move on to the drums now. Yeah, let's do that. All right, let's do the 808s. Let's do the 808s. I gotta have spins, fat spins, whatever. Let's do it. Alright, 808 patterns are sounding insane. You know what, just listen for yourself. I'm not even gonna say anything about them. Just listen to them for yourself, alright? Yeah, that's what I got so far for the 808 pattern. I'm gonna add the kicks obviously, and then onto the snare, the hi-hats. So yeah, let's do that then. Alright, kicks are already there now, so let's just do the hi-hats now. Let's do it. Alright, so the hi-hat pattern is done, but I'm gonna show y'all that when I am finished. When I put down the snare, when I find a snare, I'm gonna show y'all the hi-hat pattern. So yeah, let's do that.
Eventually.
Alright, we need to add some perks then. I'm sorry, we gotta add some perks. I got the snare, but don't worry. I'm gonna add some perks first, and then we'll be good to go. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so you know what? Everything's done. It was pretty quick. Yeah, everything's done. I'm gonna show you just the drums. I'm not gonna show you the melody yet. I gotta fix some things first, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, just to give you guys a little context of what the beat is gonna feel like, but man, when that melody comes on, y'all gonna go crazy, alright? Y'all gonna, I think y'all gonna like this one. But, yeah, I want to experiment with the flute. I know that's always my tertiary option for the melody because I'm so unoriginal. But I mean, the flute, it works. So we'll see if the flute will work. I don't know if it'll work in this one, but you know, we can try. We can always try. So let's do that now. But yeah, guys, I did what I had to do, and the flute, let's just say it has been placed into the beat successfully. It worked. All right, I tried it and it worked. So now what we are going to do, lay it out and yeah, be done with this thing. So let's do it. All right, y'all, so these all done, ready to go, ready to show you guys what I did. So if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everything. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, come on now, like, let's go. Subscribe to the channel. I don't know what you're doing already. Like, just do it. It's easy. It's free. Like, subscribe, scroll down, hit the red button, do what you gotta do. Yeah. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.